ready to go live. Okay. Come on. Okay. And hi, great afternoon to you all after some technical difficulties and waiting for some more people to jump on live. Great to see some numbers popping up. So has the volatility of cryptocurrency prices has made the community want more than just simple spot trading? And do you consider that the process of buying and selling actual cryptos are actually burdensome? You have probably heard of crypto future trading, right? So, and volatile assets such as crypto tend to be very popular for this trade. You may also have heard of long and short crypto trades, which sound pretty complicated at first, but they are actually really useful types of trade, and let you profit from the price movement of an asset without having to hold the asset itself. So today, Centurion Invest expert Dali is here with us that we can talk about future trading. Hi,
Hey,
Dali.
Mariette. Hi, Mariette. Thank you for inviting me and joining us on CI. Welcome, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about.
You're taking away my job. You're taking away my job here.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna let you. Sorry.
but this is brilliant. I'm just going to be staying here and just going to be educated about what future trading actually is.
Sure, so, you are. Hopefully, you will trade by yourself at the end.
So before we jump right in, let's just say a really warm welcome to the audience, people who are watching on LinkedIn. DJG, hi DJG, Rana, hey, and also some of the audience that are joining in from YouTube and from Facebook page. Really welcome. You've got an amazing 50 minutes ahead of you, where we're going to be discussing Centurion Invest, future trading, and hopefully Dali is going to be back very shortly.
Sorry. This is live,
don't leave me hanging on because I want to learn what this is all about. So before we jump right in, yes, and also before I forget, this is the golden opportunity, guys. So if you have got any questions within the next 50 minutes, we are open throughout the entire session. And it's not just about future trading. If you've got any questions about spot trading, if you've got questions about how to use Centurion Invest, how to open a CI wallet, anything, even things like what's happening on the market right now and what's the trend. Anything that you've got, just fire away. We've got a couple of experts in the background as well, so there's a lot of information coming your way, and you want to utilize these 50 minutes to your absolute best advantage. So, Dali,
Yes.
what do you think of what's going on with everybody's, a year ago, this was Black Thursday, Black Friday, when the market just completely crashed. Bitcoin went under 4K, and everybody was like, kind of like, okay, we're going to pack up. And 12 months on, now the Bitcoin is about hitting 58K again. What's happening? Everybody wants to know the trend. What's been going on?
So actually, we are not on the same situation at all. I mean, there is big investors in Bitcoin, big companies, big funds. So we are not talking about the same Bitcoin of last year. Since then, we had huge trend and people who jumped in, and that's why most of the people follow the hype, and more people are investing in this asset. It becomes an asset. It's not anymore only cryptocurrency. People want to invest in. They know it's gonna be the future. Since COVID, like most of everything become online. Everything turned to digital. We are not. We are looking for a digital way, and the most secure and I mean, the first digital currency was the Bitcoin, so everybody is turning to it.
Yeah. It's actually really funny. I was reading an article today about Bitcoin, and it was really, really talking about it like it was something that was established something like in the 16th century. It was really amazing. And it's like, hang on a minute, we're only talking about 2009, but yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
It's I'm saying it correct, am I? Put me right.
Bitcoin is not new. It's since 12 years now, and it's looked like people just knew about it, but it's already since 12 years. It's nothing new, and the hype will be like way more. It's gonna increase on the next month. I'm sure we will end the end of the year with a Bitcoin at 150 to 100K. Who knows?
Yeah, definitely. Do you want to start sharing your screen? We had a really while we were discussing the preparation, just sharing my thoughts with the audience. While we
Sure.
were while we were sharing the thoughts about this particular session, guys, you on the other side on YouTube, Facebook Live, and LinkedIn, I came across a really,
So
really
actually,
good
when you join CI, you have a benefit of multiple channels which are free. We're gonna give you the channel for free, and you will benefit of. Let me share you the screen too. It's better. Okay.
We've got technology going on here as well. So
Yes, I'm gonna show you. Okay, hold on.
look at that, guys. Wow. I definitely
So I got a big screen here also with me. That's why, because I'm trading every day, so I need a big one. So guys, mainly here, I'm gonna show you here on Telegram. We got two groups. One with the exchange group, where you can find news, market analysis, and everything daily basis. All the news you have, you just go on the channel. The channel is open to everyone. You can join us for free, and you have daily insights of the market. You can click like here for today. It will redirect you. Oh, it's go. Okay, let me open it in big. And here,
I'm actually really impressed with. I don't know how many of you who are watching are actually on a Telegram channel. The news is very much up to date, is always constant, loads of tips, loads of tips, a lot of interaction from users as well, because everybody is really wanting,
Exactly.
okay, I want to know about spot trading, or just open my wallet and what's the best possible
Get a
source.
channel on. Exactly. We are here to help you. You should know, Mariette, like we came from call center businesses at the beginning, so we are the best at customer services. I mean,
Guys, you're
when we onboard a customer, we're gonna help you from A to Z. So we're gonna help you hand to hand. If you want to trade, if you want to invest, or whatever you want, you will find someone to help you. Not like other exchange where you just open a wallet and that's it. You are by yourself and go learn by yourself. So actually, you have the benefit with CI. Best customer service, multi-channel where you can find insights, and where you have also, I mean, here you can check. Here you have the benefit of market signals. With the market signals, you can find.
Is that on Telegram? That's Telegram.
Yeah, that's on Telegram. All the new people who on board with us, they benefit with that. We will give them free signals. Of course, they need to do their own research, but mainly we tell them, look at this, focus on that, watch how the market is bearish or bullish, and we advise them.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
they always need to do their own research.
So before we jump into, because what we wanted to show you guys is really on the other side, is that once you are in the exchange, what you actually have to do hands-on. And that is basically, as you've seen, that he's been trading basically day in, day out.
Exactly. I'm trading every day, so
tips as well. So first of all, let's talk about futures. Let's talk about futures. That was really the main point of this particular session. So people who are already users of Centurion Invest, or people who are thinking about really jumping into crypto and want to get some more information, so that they can know about that. Apart from spot trading, okay, this is what future is. What is actually crypto future and trading, and what is it's normally what I know about, and I think maybe some of you guys know about crypto future contracts. So if you can say a little bit more about, so we have a kind of thorough understanding.
Sure, I'm gonna explain the difference between spot trading and future trading. In spot trading, you buy the asset, you buy the coin. It belongs to you. In future trades, you bet on the contract. You bet the contracts, the coin gonna go up or down. So you bet on long or short. In long you bet that I'm gonna show you on the panel. You will see when you long a coin, it means you bet that the target of the price will go higher.
So here is the why am I showing? It should be you. It should be you. I'd love
So here you get you can see my screen, right? So on the exchange, you just click buy the future here, and you choose on which coin you want to trade. So here on the left, you got all the coin you can trade on future mode. So actually the price was falling and it's going up right now. So I'm gonna show you. Here you got the mark price. Here you got the time frame. So it depends of people how they want to trade. They want to make quick profits or long profits. So it will differ. If you want to make quick trades, you will come and check the charts on 5 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. and you will see how the market is acting. So, but you always need to do research about chart, and you need to know how to read them. So we got special trader and team who are here on our side to help you if you want. We got also video who will be released soon. So
I think just for a second,
sorry, Mara.
I'd like to say hello to Dushad. Hi, great to have you with us. Hopefully you get a few tips here as well. And Mara, I think it's really
yes, sorry, Mara,
Daniel.
je suis désolé. On va refaire un webinar semaine prochaine en français.
En français, tout
Donc,
en français.
chaque semaine, on aura un webinar en anglais et un en français. Next week,
voilà. Et c'est aujourd'hui, c'est l'anglais. Voilà.
will be en anglais.
So,
aujourd'hui, c'est l'anglais. Donc, la semaine prochaine, on sera avec toi.
So
anyway, so actually you can see
what we just explained to the Anglophone that actually if you have anyone who is a French-speaking nationality and is interested in crypto, then we will have a French dedicated session, especially for French-speaking.
For sure. I'm actually a French guy. I'm a French-born, so maybe it will be easier also for me.
So,
as you can see here on my screen, we got multiple. For a beginner, he will see some candle, green, red, all these numbers. He will not understand at all. So we are here to help him and guide him how to trade, and it's pretty easy. There's nothing difficult on it. So as you can see here, you got the chart. You always try to read the chart and try to buy the dip or short the high price. So actually the dip was here, if you can see. So for the one who bought here at 55, 500, $300 the bitcoins, he's already in profits about, I don't know how many bitcoin he was able to buy, but I'm gonna show you how to make
just a second, Ali. And for the audience out there, we have got the VP of Marketing and Digital Experience, who is joining us. Very honored that he's got the time and the chance to actually pop on. So I would like to give a warm welcome to Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hello, guys.
How are you? Hey.
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
How is everything going?
You're already shining the.
I've been looking at YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. We have great engagement from people, and
that's good.
That's why we'll would like to give some feedback on our target market. I've seen some comments saying that I'm new into this field and I need some guidance, and that's why we are here. That's why Centurion Invest has been created into the market for that target market exactly. So I will let first Dali finish showing us what is future trading, which is the main subject of the webinar. Then if you want, we move to talking in general about what do we do at CI, how do we help people, how do we handhold every client do we have, from registration to trading online to making guaranteed profit in crypto, then how to do withdrawal and transferring money from wallet to wallet, from bank to bank. I'll give a general brief about that, but first let's just see as Dali was explaining the difference between spot and future and how a profit can be made from that, and then I will jump in and give a full brief for our viewers.
Thank you, Bob.
Over to you.
Sorry, Mariette.
Sorry, we are not letting you speak, but so many people are coming on the channel, so just say hello to...
welcome to everyone. Thank you for joining us.
It's all yours now.
You are taking the train online, but it's still fine. So as you can see here, you got the chart. You always try to buy the lower price and bet it's gonna go high. So it means long it. So here you get cross or isolated. In cross modes, you will use all your funds you have in your wallet, in your future wallet. So you will be able to use, and you risk also to lose all your funds, but you always have to manage your risk. I mean, when you trade in future, you always need to be focused and not tired and awake. I mean, you need adrenaline, testosterone, everything you got.
That's the cross
Just
wallet, you mean?
focus. In future trading, you need to be awake, because it can go very fast. You know, we are in a volatile market. Sometimes it can fall 20-30% in 1 hour, 30 minutes. Even in 5-10 minutes, it can fall or it can go high. You need to catch the train fast.
I just wanted to say really that the basics of crypto future, I mean, it's very it's pretty easy to understand really once you've got a firm grip, and it's really about coming back to two parts about the strategy.
Exactly. As soon as you understand it, it's pretty easy.
So now tell us, Dali, which one is recommended for our
For me,
client?
I always use cross because I'm trading with all my funds, but you can trade also with isolated. Isolated, you're gonna use only what you are putting on the position. I mean, if you buy for $1,000 and you get 20,000 in your wallet, you will be able to trade only with your $1,000, and you are ready to lose only $1,000.
Yes, and what about if somebody who's new to that market and wants to start slowly? So which kind of future trading would you recommend for
I
our
always recommend
newcomers?
to you. He can start with isolated. It is the safest way, but he will not be able to make the kind of profit you are making with cross mod.
Yeah, that's fine for somebody who wants to learn and start growing the growth step by
If you want to start slowly, always use isolated. But we recommend always, like here, when you're gonna place an order, always try to buy the dip, of course. If you're gonna long, if you want to short it, try to buy the higher price. But for the long trades, let's say here, as you can see here, you got 10, 20, 50, 100% of your wallet. So with my wallet, I actually have some position who are open. So I have only $23,000 available. So I always recommend to use 5 to 10% maximum for a beginner. So
Dali,
10%.
I have a question. When you say long and short, long, what does that mean? Can I buy and keep waiting for 2-3 days?
Yes,
or
there
what
is
is
no.
the meaning of short?
You're reading my mind, Bob. Exactly what I wanted to ask.
This is a good question. This is a pretty good question. So the only thing you need to know in future, you have funding rate here. So the funding rate is always changed. This is what you pay on your trade. So for 8 hours, I will have to pay 0.01% of my position. So if I buy for $1,000, I have to pay 0.01% of my $1,000. So it's for 8 hours. Every 8 hours, the rate change. Sometimes it becomes, when there is no trading, there is no volume, it becomes negatives. It means it gives you money when you trade, which is good. Anyway, you can keep your position as long as you want. It's just here you have.
So mainly I can multiply my profit or my gain by 10, by 20 when I go into future.
Even 100. You know, you sometimes
Yeah.
you have coins who made 1000% in the same day. So if you want, you can buy a coin at the lowest price and keep it for 6 months, or I don't know, in future trade.
Yeah, I know that
You buy it.
usually, I don't know about you, Marriott, but usually some people are spot traders and some people are future traders. And these are two
Yeah.
kind of characters in terms of trading. And Daddy knows more than
Yeah.
me about this. And
I,
I'm usually a spot trader, and I know Dali is a future trader. So what about you?
I'm married, but I'm future trader.
I actually really believe, because I've learned so much from you guys over the last 6 weeks. Really, just being on Telegram and watching all the information, reading all the information that you are putting out there. And I think at the end of the day, it all goes down to education. And it's still, there is just so many people who just really don't have an idea. And I think in order to really I mean, you both have been in the field for quite a long time, but in order to
Yes.
sort of to say that, yeah, okay, I want to do spot or I want to do future, you've got to have a really good understanding.
Thank you.
So I'm actually I actually just reading about and studying a little bit of a future. It's actually it seems quite interesting to me.
So
I, I like having I like sort of some of the elements. I think, just hold on, we
you
have got
know. Mhm.
Ali Kassab,
Sorry.
who has joined us. He's actually watching from Facebook. Ali is not
Hey, this is our
very.
chairman.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you for a question.
for the input. So, and what Elon Musk is announcing. Sorry, I'm jumping. This was the first one. What do you think about wealth manipulation?
Yeah, he's talking about Elon Musk in general and
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
buying
all the kinds of
1.5
funds.
billion. Yeah, in my opinion, I think trading crypto can be fun, and the volatility that works can be used to our own advantage as traders. If you have people like in our case in Centurion Invest, we have around 10 traders who this is their bread and butter on a daily, hourly basis, expecting where is the market going, how it's going to move up or down, and providing on our exclusive channel, which we call CI Market Signals, which is an exclusive channel for our clients and traders, where we provide them with extremely detailed instructions, what to buy, which currency to buy it, at what price, and when to sell. And we have an accuracy of 98%, where we hit the target within 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. So this is a very exclusive channel where every person who opens his wallet on our platform, he gets access to that channel. And to answer Ali's question, yes, when big whales are manipulating, and we are aware of that, so we can expect where is the market going to go and use that to our own advantage to make money. So it's not an unexpected manipulation. We can see it through following the news that we do, and we usually provide minimum 3 to 5 articles and news on a daily basis, which are written by our amazing Marriott on a daily basis. If you follow these news simply on a daily basis, that tells you exactly where the market is going. Is going up or down, or as we call it, bullish or bearish, and then you trade based on that, and you use that for your own advantage.
To be honest, I got very excited when the announcement came in from Tesla. I was like, wow, this is gonna blow up. And then
Yes.
MicroStrategy, wow, that's it. And now with the recent announcement, just with the 1.9 trillion package, I mean,
Yes.
extra. I mean, I just love seeing what's happening around. Really love seeing, and I think the sentiment, not sentiment generally, it's bullish. I really think it's bullish. Okay, I mean, it's kind of varying on a day-to-day basis, but people are very optimistic and very positive. It's all because of
We
this.
are definitely bullish for
Um,
sure. I mean, sometimes when you see a dump, it's just a correction of the market, and some new investors who just sell the new people who jump in Bitcoin or whatever. They make a quick profit and they sell it. That's it. But the big funds and the big investors, they hold, and the old one, everyone is holding. They know the asset of Bitcoin. They know it's gonna go higher than this. 50K is just a step. We are going very high. I mean, like maybe next month or this week we will see a new ATH.
Yes, and people are usually debating now, following Ali's question about is it legal? The safety and security of cryptocurrency as a digital asset on the blockchain is the safest ever. That when you have any transaction on blockchain, nobody can change it, nobody can remove it, nobody can hack it. And is that legal or not? Surely it is legal. Now, regardless that we can discuss the legality of it, yes, it is legal. Another indication of that this is the future, when somebody like Elon Musk invests this amount of dollars and those numbers, this person doesn't throw a penny without knowing its ROI.
Exactly.
So him spending $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, that means it is the future, and we are the future. And this is why companies like us that was created now and exists now to help people migrate from fiat to crypto, because that is the future. Even now, MasterCard, Visa card are announcing the acceptance, and PayPal already accepting crypto. Universities in the States and many other countries, centralized banks are being forced to create their own cryptocurrencies, because that is where we are going on the future.
Absolutely. I was really, when I saw the digital ruble, I thought, wow, here we go. Yeah.
We had a question about ATH. ATH is the all-time high for the one who asked.
So hi, great to have you with us.
Yes, and Ali had a question. Will ETH survive to BNB Binance? Dali, you're the expert on that.
I believe yes, for sure. I mean, ETH is way older than BNB. Even if BNB is trying to kill ETH, not to kill it, but to make a rivalry with low fees and everything, ETH is way older, and it's in the blockchain. You can't remove it.
Exactly. Is there anything would you like to still cover in terms of the trading, Dali?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you actually how to trade and how to use the future mode. So we are free to go. So like I told you, you can keep your order for whenever you want. Or
sorry, Dali. Hi, Alex. Hi, great to have you with us.
Hi,
I'd
Alex.
love to encourage everybody who is watching on YouTube, on Facebook, and on LinkedIn. Have your questions ready. We are here to answer absolutely for the next 25 minutes or a little bit less. Sure. So just fire away. Okay, all yours, Dali.
So here in the preference, you can set your order for how long you want. I mean the open order, not the one who are already open. So you can set an order like for 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. You will say when the price will be at $50,000 for the next 14 days, you can place my order. So you can set order in advance. So you bet that the price will go down, and you have an order ready to purchase, to open.
So basically, it's like that, but that when you are, because it's almost like that we are going into the risk management category here. So,
Yes.
with increased risk,
Sure.
that introduced by leverage, etc., stop loss. That's where you would use your stop loss.
Not here, but for the stop loss, it's something else. I'm gonna explain you. But
Okay.
this is, like right now the price is $57. If I want to go, so I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. I bet the
Wakey, we've got more people coming on.
so I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. I will say, okay, maybe tonight the price will go down to $50,000. I will set my order. So in the next 4 hours, if the order pass, okay. If it doesn't pass, it will be cancelled. You know what I mean?
So it will not affect your wallet if it doesn't
Exactly. It
match your
will be
expectation.
affect my wallet only for the next 4 hours. It will be cancelled
Understood.
automatically.
Yeah.
So
Understood.
this is one of the good thing you can access with the CI and the opening position. You have also netting mods or hedging mods. So this is for advanced trader. If you are not advanced trader, you always, I can't change it to netting mode because I have a position open. So I'm trading in hedging mode always. So the difference between netting and hedging, I'm gonna show you here. In netting, you can open only one position at the time. So if the price go up, I will bet on long. But in hedging mode, I will be able to have a position in long, and I can see the price is going down here. I can hedge it. I can open a short on it. I bet the price is going down. I keep my position, my long position, and I open a short position.
Yeah.
So I
you can
bet the
have
price will
multiple
go down.
positions. Yes.
Exactly. In the same coin. So I will bet the price is going down to quickly for 57K, and I will close it. I will make profit out of it, and I will go back to my long position, and I keep my long position to the higher price.
Understood.
Yeah.
But it's for advanced trader. Don't
Yes.
risk
It's
it.
important to know.
I need some private tuition,
Don't
Dalia.
risk it because it's pretty risky. You can stay stuck between a long and a short position. I mean, the price is going very high, and you start to short it, and then it keeps going high. You have your short open, and you will not able to close it. Never, and you will lose this money for sure. So here, how to open a long position? You want to know, or
please?
what do you want to know?
The more, the better.
Here, you choose at what price you want to enter. Let's say I'll not open a position because right now the market is not at the best place for me. So let's say the Bitcoin will fall at $55,000, and I will choose the maximum I can buy is 8. So you can see here my wallet. I have $23,000. So with $23,000, I'm able to buy 8 Bitcoin. Why? Because I have a leverage here, and I can manage the leverage. For the beginners, I always recommend to trade with a leverage of 5-10. It gives you 5-10 times of your wallet. So mainly, if you have $1,000 with a leverage of 10, you will have $10,000. So if Bitcoins fall, like here, we buy the Bitcoins at 57K, and the Bitcoins, you invest your $1,000 fully. you use leverage 10, so you will be able to buy maybe 1 Bitcoin. Let's say you can buy 1 Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price falls by $1,000. It's nothing. It's less than 5%. Less, even less. It's 2% of the price. So it falls by $1,000. It's done. You lost all of your money.
True.
So that's why you always need to manage the risk and ask people and read a lot about it, and always know how to use your funds. Don't risk all of your funds. Always use 10% maximum of your funds, because you never know when the market, you are trading in a volatile market, the price can go up for 30-40%, but it can fall also for 30-40%. So when it falls,
the news on the Telegram group with Centurion Invest,
follow our news. Exactly.
Going on
so you will know how the market will act. And when you use only 10% of your wallet, even if it falls 30-40%, you need to know, like here, as you can see, we were at the higher price. Let's say you don't know, you buy here and the market fall 10-20%. You used only 10% of your wallet. You're still safe, because the market is always making range. So if he is here today and he fall here, it will come back the next days. Don't panic. You always need to remain calm.
Good advice.
Never open more than 20 in future, one of the LinkedIn member is saying. And I think that's for you, gentlemen. You guys are amazing. And
Thank you.
You've got one heart for each of
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So over to you, Bob. Tell us about CIEX. Tell us about basically how to create brilliant profit on a platform. That's what I think everybody who is there, we wants to know.
Exactly.
Give me the money? Yes, exactly. Centurion Invest is a dynamic company that is helping our clientele and the market to move to the crypto world through the safety and security of the blockchain. We know for sure that it is the future. We believe that everybody can make money if we guide them through step by step, as we have a great onboarding program that starts from our customer representative team, who are professional traders, who, whenever anybody register on our platform, where they can find us everywhere on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. We have our website everywhere. It's a very simple process of registration. They simply put their email, their data, and they register. Once they have a wallet open, our team will call them and will guide them through step by step. And in addition to that, we have our video tutorials, we have our webinars like this to guide people step by step through how to trade, to not lose money, and to only guarantee profit. Now, on another level, some people would like us to do the trading on their behalf, and we have our programs too, which is called CI Trading Funds, which is the fixed income. For example, you invest $1,000 or $5,000 with us. We guarantee that amount, that this will never be touched. And then we give you on top of that a yearly profit that could reach up to 75%. It depends on how long the period will be locked up. Like, let's say you say, I want to invest $10,000 and I want to lock it up with you guys for 1 year. That would give you, for example, 45% on a yearly basis. So by end of year, your money will end up being 14,500, and that money can be paid to you on a monthly basis. So this is what we call as fixed income program that we have. So our target mainly is are people who are interested, like our crowd today and our viewers today are interested to make extra money, to break free from to achieve financial freedom and make their own money and own the profit they make. And crypto is a very simple process if you know it, if you learn it. People who have been into forex before, they know very well how crypto works. It's something very similar, but crypto is dominating the financial market of the future. The difference between forex and crypto is that crypto is becoming the digital asset of the world. This is where we're going in the very near. We're already there, but it's going to be more and more aware. Now we have much more programs in the future to come where you can use Centurion Invest Wallet not only as a trading platform, but as an asset platform, which means you go in, you buy, let's say, Bitcoin for $1,000 and you leave it there. That's your wallet. You can use it to pay for your son's
Exactly.
university. You can pay it to do shopping. You can pay it to for anything that accept crypto. So Centurion Invest Wallet and Centurion Invest Exchange are two main products under one umbrella. That's why we are called all-in-one platform. So we can be your wallet, like your digital bank online, where you have all your crypto wallet with us, which in the future we will be issuing our own CI cards, where you can use a card linked to your wallet and you can do shopping with that. That's a future project we're doing. And for now, you can have it as a wallet and you can have it as an exchange platform. So why keep that money sleeping there? Let's trade with it a little bit and make some profit. And
Thank you.
I totally agree with Ali that forex will collapse because companies financials are not transparent and are mainly manipulated, while blockchain is safe to investors and more accurate and transparent. That's very true.
Exactly.
Right.
The blockchain works like internet. It's open to everyone. Everyone can check what's happened to this wallet or where this transaction come from, where it goes. It's an open net. It's like internet. No one owns it. It belongs to everyone. Everyone can go to the blockchain and check what happened to this or that.
True. True.
That's
Very
the main
true.
thing.
Very.
So if you guys I'm gonna show you quickly, very quickly, how to open a trade and make profit out of it.
Oh, now we want to see, certainly want to know that. So everybody who's still hanging
So let
on.
me see if I have the history.
Here we go.
Oh, as you can see here, I made some profit under Bitcoin here. But anyway, I'm gonna show you. You just pick the best price. Let me see at 5 minutes. How is it going? So let's say I'm gonna short it. You will understand what is the difference between shorts.
If you make profit right now, does me and Marriott get any
Sure, I'm
fees
gonna
on
share it
that?
with you.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
gonna share it with you. I'm gonna share it with you. Sure, guys. Let's say 400 is good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and short it. So, okay, it's always ask me if I'm sure to make this. So, okay, open
Yeah,
a short.
sure.
So, okay, I have my position open. I'm losing money right now, but I bet the price will fall to 200, 100. Let me see. It's better here. Yeah, that's good. So I bet the price will fall a little bit. I catch it a bit lower, but that's fine.
This is the time where you advise to be patient and not panic, right?
Yes, you know my skills, Bob, right?
Yes.
I'm someone who is very calm and patient.
Yes.
I remain strong and wait. Just
That's why
wait.
you're
Don't
that's why you're
panic.
making good money
You don't
on
have to
crypto.
panic. Never. In trading, you need to be able to stay focused and
Mhm.
calm. So here you can set when you want to close the trade. So
Mhm.
here, let's say it's gonna fall to 57,200. We're gonna sell it at the market price. Have 0.5. I will be able to make $110 profit.
Mhm.
It's a quick trade, but anyway. So
Yeah.
that's when you open a short. You bet that the price you catch here will fall. When you open a long, we can open a long also because I'm in hedging mode. So in
Mhm.
hedging mode, I'm able to open a long position and a short position.
Mm.
So
How
let's
long do
say,
we have time to wrap up, Marriott? You're the leader
yeah,
here.
sorry, yeah.
Yes. No, I give you because I really want to see that long opening. So and
Let's
I'm
do it.
sure that the other, if you can do it in the next 2 minutes, that would be great.
Yeah,
And
just 1 minute. Okay, I will close them later. I just set my orders and that's it. So let's say I'm gonna buy it at the same price, maybe lower, 350, and I'm gonna buy 0.52. Now I'm gonna open a long when the price will go down to 350. I'm gonna open my position and buy 0.5 BTC. My position is not open. It's here. I can see when the price will fall to 57,350, it will be opened.
Mhm.
So that's it. As you can see, it's pretty easy. No,
Yes.
I can set quick profit, make money out of it. Just be calm and remain patiently, and you will make money out of it.
yeah.
Even now, my short position, if it go higher, I'm not scared because I know the cycle of Bitcoin. It's go high and after it go down. It's always a range. So even if it's go too high, after I will be able to catch my price, my entry price of 57,420. So I'm not scared at all.
So
Very
basically,
nice.
I mean, after this session, it's really as long as you understand the logic behind the process, you can trade crypto futures, whenever you want. So just in a nutshell, just to summarize it, what is the main advice that you would give to people who are actually wanting to learn, wanting to know more about it? And I think maybe it's on the balance side, there are more novices than advanced users here, like yourself. So we're pretty much just targeting novice future traders. What would be that main takeaway for them?
The main thing is, like I told you, remain calm and patient. Don't panic, because you always make mistake when you panic.
Yes.
Don't read too much book. Just read the news. Follow the markets. Follow our analyze. Follow our channel for sure. And
Can you give the Telegram channel back again, please?
yeah, the Telegram channel is here.
So the viewers who are still with us, they can have a little peep of
Yeah.
what's happening there.
Let's show the Market Insight channel, Dali, the one that
The market
you're
inside.
managing. Yeah.
Okay, so this was. Let me show you. Yes. As you can see, every day we give you insights of the Bitcoin update, what it's gonna do. So here, as you can see, it was on 10 March. What
Mhm.
day?
2 days
We're
ago.
12 here. Okay, 2 days ago. You see here, 2:42 p.m. Target's done. We
Mhm.
gave this signal at 10 a.m. We told to the people to buy the BCH at $530, and if it falls to 520, to buy more.
Mhm.
Because another thing in the future, sometimes like here, my price I enter in a higher price. So the market is correcting, it's going down. Don't be scared to buy another 50% at lower price. It brings you your entry price below. I mean, if you entered the market at 57 with $57,000 with one Bitcoin in long mode, and the price falls to 56, don't be afraid to buy one more Bitcoin at 56. Your entry price will not be 57 anymore. It will be cut in the half. It will be 56 and 500. Do you understand that?
I got you. That's too advanced, I guess.
Maria didn't understand.
I'm totally on an overload here now, guys.
That's too advanced. Let's let this for another session.
Yeah, well, I explain it.
You do this, I'll take the profit, and that's it. And everybody's happy.
Yes.
But this is special tricks to advanced traders and explain and help people to make money and rebuy their position.
Yeah, I like that Dali is teasing us a little bit of how much you can manipulate the market and make good money. That's a good tease. I like that, and it's motivating for people to reach that level of being that advanced and guarantee that much they can make money. Now, I would really recommend now for everybody to go to our website and register, create their CI wallet now, and then our team will take care of them step by step. They have nothing to worry about and nothing to think about. We will guide them through the whole education process on how to trade, how to open the wallet, and how to keep their wallet with us, and even will give them clear insights about what to buy, when to buy it, at what price, and when to sell, and at what price, and what stop loss they need to put there.
And just before we say goodbye here, Bob, please, if you could answer this question for Ian. Is there a need for margin calls in these trades? I think at that point.
Yes, this is another mode of trading. You have margin trade. It's something else. In margin trade, you borrow the money from the exchange. In future trades, you don't borrow it. It's totally different.
You use your own wallet money.
Yes.
So that will be covered. Ian, more webinars will be coming in the future. Yeah. We'll be doing 2 webinars hopefully per week, one in French, one in English, and we will cover all kind of trading step by step. Now, last time we covered spot trading. Now we covered future trading, and then moving on.
So, gentlemen, thank you ever so much for the attendance and for the great information.
Thank you.
Huge thank you for the audience on YouTube, on Facebook, on LinkedIn for following us.
Thanks, everyone.
I hope that you got some really amazing insights. And just as Bob was saying, and earlier on Dali, that we're going to have a French session and an English session next week. So join the Telegram group. Absolutely, you can join it from centurioninvest.com straight onto there, and then you will get the updates on a daily basis of what is happening and where you can get the information. Was it right, Bob? I think it's on.
Yes.
You are awesome.
100%.
Wonderful. So from the 3 of us, I can say, wishing you a fantastic rest of the day, and see you next time.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you. Goodbye.
Thank you.